What is Whop? Hello guys, today I'm going to show you what is Whop and how people are making a dozen of monies in this platform. Before that guys, consider subscribing this channel. Now this is guys Whop homepage. Now what is Whop guys? The Whop is a platform where you can sell digital products online. Let's assume you have a following or you have a digital product, so you come here and share that course or that product with your followers or peoples and they buy it from here. Just look at the amount what people have made through it. $50,000 guys. Oof, that's nuts. That's really nuts. $43,000 guys. Let's look at this. $38,000, 13,000. And what kind of digital products you can sell? You can sell social media products, just like build an empire on YouTube, join media labs, make your first 10k online. This kind of products you can make, course or anything you have expertise in, you can make on real estate, agencies, dating, recreation, reselling and much more. Podcast, gaming, everything, trading. You can make any type of, in any niche you can make product and come here. Just register yourself, that it's free. Just register yourself and start pumping money guys. Send that link, promote that product to your Instagram page, YouTube, and you can earn money. See, just look at this number. $673,000 made by creators guys. Come on man. So this is Whop guys. You can come here and sell digital products through it. This platform is really good. If you want me to make my own product and sell here, just comment down this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.